come and take a look at our beautiful 1954 Austin A40 Somerset. She is in need of some restoration, but we wanted to show you just how solid she is underneath, because for a 70-something-year-old car, it's quite incredible. Here's Will to tell us more.
So under these wheel arches look absolutely spot. Paint, lovely, no rot around here. It is just amazing. The only place we've got some rot is in the bottom of the doors, which not too bad a fix. But all through here, it's just wonderful. Absolutely wonderful. So under here, 71 years, and I can't see where it's been welded. Sills all look original, don't look to have had anything done to them. Chassis is brilliant. There's paint on the back plates of the hubs, still got green paint on there from the factory. It's obviously spent a lot of its time sat indoors doing nothing. It is just amazing for a 70-odd-year-old vehicle. Incredible. Underneath you'd have to do very, very little. Under here it is just wow. Just look at that front balance for 70 odd years. It is 100%. Wings are the same. Just amazing. I'll let it down and we'll look at the rest of it.
Let's take a look under the bonnet. Just look at that gorgeous little engine. Lovely, that.
Does run and drive lovely. Yeah. Just look in there at that paint, look.
Oh, it's lovely in there.
Yeah, you wouldn't find a 72-year-old Ford Focus with paint like that, would you?
No.
Yeah, just, yeah. That is, that's gorgeous, isn't it?
That lid is...
And that lid, look.
Oh, it's brand new.
Yeah.
Oh, amazing.
So definitely one to be enjoyed as it is, I think. Semaphore indicators working. Ready?
Yeah. Oh, brilliant.
And, yeah, this one lights up as well. Does its job.
Fantastic.
Yeah, brilliant.
Nice cold start. Now let's go take her for a run. Let's have a look at the interior. The door cards are in nice condition, as is the carpet. The seats will need some attention. The back doesn't look too bad, nor does the headlining. Time for a test drive and for Will to tell us more about this car.
1954 Austin A40 Somerset. 4-speed column change that works. Very original, this car, very original indeed. I think all the gauges are working. Runs well. 1200cc engine. Speedo's working. Lovely. Luxury it was in the day, wasn't it?
Look at that big smile!
Ah, lovely, isn't it? Yeah. Yeah, once you've mastered the column change, that is. Got it first time. Amazing. I think we've got a, is that a fake marble effect steering wheel?
Oh wow, very nice.
Yeah, that's the one. It takes a little while to get first. Once you get used to it, you'd be fine.
I think it's a fantastic car.
Yeah, I love it. Very, very solid original example. I hope you got that one, Helen. I got first time.
I think I did.
Yeah.
What a lovely car. Oh, nice they don't let you a pro at this now. This beautiful car is available at Frank's Motor Company in Colchester. Visit our website at www.franksmotorcompany.co.uk for more information.